Ungqongqoshe womnyango wezokuhlunyelisa kwezimilo Peter Cronwall umemezela imiphumela yeklasi likamatikuletsheni leziboshwa lika-2024. Iklasi lithola izinga lokuphasa lika-96.2%, kanti iziboshwa eziyi-104 kwezingu-171 ezibhale izivivinyo ze-National Senior Certificate zamukele ezifundweni zebachelor. Lesi simemezelo senzeke eJohannesburg Correctional Centre eNingizimu namhlanje, lapho bekuklonyeliswa khona futhi kubungazwa abantu abaphumelele.
Baklonyeliswe ngezindondo nezitifiketi abafundi abayiziboshwa emajele akuleli abaphase kahle umatikuletsheni emcimbini wokumenyezelwa kwemiphumela yabo namhlanje ejele laseJohannesburg. Ungqongqoshe zokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo kuleli uthi-ke lezi ngezinye zezinhlelo zokuhlumelelisa.
I'm very proud of it. It means that they are dedicated. They realize that this is also about rehabilitation. So they work hard for their own rehabilitation. So I think an increase of 3% on the previous year, I want to congratulate them.
Kusenjalo usekela ngqongqoshe wezemfundo eyisisekelo uthi-ke bathokozile ngale mphumela.
We are so grateful as the Department of Basic Education to come and grace this occasion on the awards of our inmates. So what the inmates have done, their results have surpassed the national average, and in most subjects, no wonder I didn't understand that isiZulu is the most subject with distinctions, but when coming to this occasion, I found that most of the correctional services, especially in KwaZulu-Natal, they've obtained distinctions in isiZulu and many other subjects, of course. Yes, I think what attributes to this is that the inmates, most of the time, they have all the time, and even to regret as to why am I here. So I want to do something that is going to change my life, which will make me change the situation outside there when I go back to be integrated to the community.
Bayikhulu namashumi ayisikhombisa nanye ababhale umatikuletsheni ngaphansi komnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo kuleli, kanti kwezikole eziyi-17 kweziyi-13 kuphase bonke abafundi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu, ngiseningizimu neJohannesburg.